cat7 cable is 4 pair shielded twisted pair STP cable. It supports high bandwidth 600 MHz and 10 Gbps Ethernet support. It's having each pair individually on aluminum foil shielded. In this cat7 conductor used 23 AWG solid copper conductors for row resistance. The middle of the cable HDPE separator is there. It will separate each pair. Thinned copper drain wire used to connect grounding. Overall, aluminum woven mesh shielded to prevent signal loss, crosstalk and another performance issues, and protection from EMI. Finally, overall protection, PVC jacket is used for UV protection. Thank you. If you like my video, share and